Good evening, everyone. Good evening, all. Yes, Pradhiba, good evening. Everyone, all the five watching, comment in the chat box. Yes, Shivani. Yes, Guru. Good evening. Okay, all those things we have learned, and have you all prepared with the notes and studied the portions that I taught in the previous class? Everything? Have you all prepared with the notes? Is everything okay till now? If it is okay, today we will start with some questions. Is everything okay till now? If it is okay, today we will start. Is everything okay till now? If it is okay, today we will. Everyone, be active in the chat box. We will start the class soon. Let them let all of them join. Yes, Elsa. I think this Robert is Elsa, right? Yes, Elsa. I think this Robert is Elsa, right? Yeah. Okay, starting today's lecture. So who found or who proposed the Five Kingdom system of classification? Comment me fast. Who proposed the Five Kingdom system of classification? Who is the one to propose Five Kingdom system of classification? Everyone comment. Yes, Elsa, R.H. Whittaker. Absolutely right. The Five Kingdom system of classification was proposed by R.H. Whittaker. Two Kingdom system of classification. Who proposed Two Kingdom system of classification? Comment me fast. Two Kingdom without any reference. From your knowledge, you should answer. Yes, Linnaeus. Linnaeus proposed Two Kingdom system of classification. Then, who proposed Four Kingdom system of classification? Four Kingdom system of classification was proposed by a scientist known as Yes, yes, Copland. Copland proposed four kingdom system of classification. And who said that? It's Ernest Mayr, Divaha David. It's Copland. Okay. Then, what we should say? Anyone, can you say the five criterias on which RS Whittaker formed the five kingdom system of classification? The five criterias on which RS Whittaker formed or determined the five kingdom system of classification. Five criterias. Come in me. Anyone? Yes, mode of nutrition, Divaha, correct. Next point. One is mode of nutrition. Then we should move with the class. Come on. Answer fast. Sir, I didn't take the last class because in live I viewed it later. Sorry for that. Technical Tamlian, your name? Technical Tamlian, your name. Yes, cell organization, mode of nutrition, Thales organization. 3 points are correct. Cell structure, right? Guru, cell structure. Pradibha, cell structure, yes, correct. And the last point is phylogenetic system of classification. Phylogeny. That is based on evolution. Evolution, okay. No nuclear membrane. Shivani, okay. Yes, mode of reproduction. That's also one of the point. And we discussed the shapes of bacteria, right? The different shapes of bacteria also we have discussed. Am I right? Coccus, Bacillus, Vibrio, Spirillum. Okay, Coccus, spherical shaped bacteria. Bacillus, rod shaped bacteria. Vibrio, comma shaped bacteria. Spirillum, spiral shaped bacteria. All those we have discussed, right? Yes, Pradeepa. Yes, technical Tamlian. Technical Tamlian, reveal your name. Okay. We have started with Kingdom Monera now. And you wrote some notes as well, right? Right? Have you wrote it? The notes. Comment me, everyone. Divaha, everyone in the life is a student. Okay. So all those things we have learned, bro. So moving with the monerans, and once again I will say they are unicellular and colonial, found as colony. They have nucleoid or incipient nucleus. Okay. Cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan. Discuss that, no? Cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan. And anyone new in this class, please watch the previous lecture. It's very important. Cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan, and this peptidoglycan is composed of, come and me, and this peptidoglycan is composed of, okay, but the speaker is previous student or a professional teacher. I am a student who is qualified NEET and doing MBBS. Okay, Divaha, clear with your doubt. Still, I am a student, but I have qualified the NEET. Please don't mix these topics with the class. Okay, listen. Yes, Pradibha, NAM, and NAG. That's the answer. Peptidoglycan is composed of NAM and NAG. N-acetyl muramic acid and N-acetyl glucosamine. Yes, Ramya Shri. So reproduction is asexual in case of monerans. Presence of what type of ribosomes? Presence of 70S ribosomes. Presence of 70S ribosomes. Some are autotrophic and majority of them are heterotrophic. All those we have discussed. Membrane bound cell organelles. Okay. And today we should start with the heterotrophic mode of nutrition in Monera, right? Heterotrophic mode of nutrition. So heterotrophic, autotrophic we discussed as photoautotrophic and chemoautotrophic, and heterotrophic we can classify into three as saprophytic, symbiotic, parasitic. Anyone if not understanding my handwriting, please comment. Okay, I will read out or dictate the spelling. Saprophytic, symbiotic, and parasitic. Okay, is that clear? These are the three types of mode of nutrition under heterotrophic monerans. Heterotrophic monerans. Is that clear? Can we move on to the next topic of reproduction? Reproduction. Okay. Yes. So it shows two types of reproduction, and we have discussed that is one is asexual mode of reproduction in monerans. First type is asexual mode, and anyone know the what second type of reproduction? One is asexual mode, and the second type. Anyone comment fast? The asexual mode of reproduction is binary fission. Okay, in monerans, the asexual mode of reproduction is binary fission and entospore formation. What fungi, Pratipa? And entospore formation. Okay, endospore formation. Second type of reproduction, I think you all don't know. Just listen and write it. Very important in point of need. And we will finish this kingdom Monera soon. Okay. Binary fission and endospore formation. Second type of reproduction is genetic recombination. Genetic recombination. Or it can be known as sexual recombination, not sexual reproduction. It is sexual recombination. That is just a combination of genes. Sexual recombination. Is that clear? Okay. Elsa, it's not sexual reproduction. It is just a sexual recombination. So sexual reproduction in forms of three, that is the transformation. Next one, it is conjugation. Just understand these terms, okay? Transformation, conjugation, and transduction. Okay? Is that clear? And this endospore formation is shown by example for organism showing endospore formation. It is Clostridium. Have you ever heard that? Can anyone comment a disease caused by this Clostridium? Anyone? Ramya, it is not tetanus. It is not tetanus. Have you ever heard a disease known as botulism? Just connect that disease with the term. I think it is there for you in 12th, human health and disease. Clostridium causes. The exact name of that organism is Clostridium botulinum. Clostridium botulinum that causes botulism. Just understand that, you will learn it later. So the organism or the moneran showing the endospore formation is Clostridium and Bacillus. Bacillus. Okay, is that clear? Mode of reproduction: asexual and genetic recombination. Asexual mode of reproduction, binary fission and endospore formation. Genetic recombination, it is transformation, conjugation and transduction. Is all these topics clear? All these topics, is it clear? All the five? Okay, fine. Next, classification of kingdom Monera. Classification of kingdom Monera. Look, bacteria, monerans or bacteria, right? So they are classified into two: archaebacteria and eubacteria. Archaebacteria and eubacteria. Listen, active archaebacteria can be classified into three. That is halophiles, thermoacidophiles, and methanogens. Halophiles, thermoacidophiles, and methanogens. Okay, halophiles, thermoacidophiles, and methanogens. Then eubacteria can be classified into autotrophs and heterotrophs. Autotrophs, it is photosynthetic autotroph, chemosynthetic autotroph. Heterotroph, it is parasitic and saprophytic. All those we have discussed. This case of eubacteria, this classification we have discussed, but we should know what is this archaebacteria and eubacteria, right? Is that okay? Let's move on further and deal with archaebacteria first. So, what is this archaebacteria? Very important point. Very important point that I'm gonna write now. Copy it. Archaebacteria are the oldest living fossils. Very important. Write it, bookmark it. 100% need MCQ. Oldest living fossil, it is archaebacteria. Their cell wall lack two components. Two components are absent in their cell wall, and that two components are muramic acid, muramic acid, and the other component is peptidoglycan. Okay, is this clear? Muramic acid and peptidoglycan is absent. Cell wall consists of channel group branched lipids. Cell wall is made up of lipids. Okay, we told that for monerans, cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan, and this peptidoglycan is composed of NAM and NAG, N-acetyl muramic acid and N-acetyl glucosamine. But in case of this archaebacteria, this peptidoglycan is absent. Okay, comment me. If that is clear, comment me. Okay. So why this lipids is present? Yes, Shivani. Why this lipids is present as a component of cell wall other than peptidoglycan? Because this archaebacteria is a type of bacteria that live in extreme conditions. That live in extremity. Extreme condition. Archaebacteria live in extreme conditions. Therefore, their cell wall is made up of lipid, write it. This ensures and helps them in the survival at extremity or extreme conditions. Is that clear? This is all about archaebacteria. Next, we are moving to the classification of archaebacteria. Classification of archaebacteria. If this is clear, I will move further. Everyone comment. So we discussed that the archaebacteria live in the extreme conditions, extreme areas. So the extreme areas such as high salty areas, and the archaebacteria present in such an high concentrated salty areas is known as halophile. Okay, halogens, in chemistry, halogens, they form salt, right? They are called so because they form salt. So the type of archaebacteria present in salty areas is known as same halophiles. The types of archaebacteria present in hot springs is known as thermoacidophiles. Thermoacidophiles. Thermo means what temperature? So hot areas, hot springs, it is known as thermoacidophiles. Marshy areas, it is known as methanogens. Name the marshy gas. Name the marshy gas or gas found in marshes. Comment me fast. Look, the second point, their cell wall structure. For cell wall structure is different. Exactly, Elsa. Methane. So therefore, the archaebacteria found in the marshy areas is known as methanogens. Yes, Ramya. Yes, it's correct. Okay, methane. So it has a different cell wall structure, and the cell wall structure, that is, their cell wall is made up of lipids other than making of peptidoglycan. Is that clear? Too much time for a single topic. That's why. So now we are gonna learn all these topic in detail. Okay. Interested? Interested in today's class? Comment me fast. Yes, fine. So now we are gonna learn with methanogens. Methanogens we discussed, they are found in marshy areas. Write it. Effective note making is necessary. So started 2022 students started from right at the beginning. Follow with us. And 2021 students, you can use this as a reference material. Write it. So marshy areas, these methanogens are found. And these methanogens are also found or name the type of archaebacteria or name the bacteria found in the gut of ruminant animals. We can say it as methanogens. Okay, methanogens is the archaebacteria found in the gut of ruminant animals, and it is also found in marshy areas. So this gut of ruminant animals, it's a previous year NEET MCQ. So example, this is all about methanogens and you have to learn the example. Example is that methanococcus simple, but finally after learning all those you will be confused. Methanococcus and methanobacterium. Methanococcus and methanobacterium. If anyone needs the spelling, please comment. Okay. Methanococcus and methanobacterium. These are the examples of methanogens. Is that clear? And 1, 2, 3. Yes, need spelling. Someone, if you have wrote it or know the spelling, please put it in the chat box. Okay, it will be essential or it will be useful for them. I will read it anyway. Methano, METHANO, Coccus, Methanococcus. Methanococcus, coccus bacteria and Methanococcus. Methanobacterium, bacterium. Okay. Yes, Ramya. Fine. Okay, and clearing. And next we are moving on to thermoacidophiles. Thermoacidophiles. Thermoacidophiles, that means they are found in hot springs. These are the type of archaebacteria found in hot springs. Okay, they are found where temperature they are temperature as well as acidity loving. They are fond of or found in areas where temperature is high. Temperature is high. High temperature regions, this thermoacidophiles. Therefore, it has thermo. Then why you have the term acidophiles? Because they are acidity loving. They are fond of areas where it is highly acidic. Acidity loving. Is that clear about thermoacidophiles? Acidity loving and temperature loving. Example for thermoacidophiles is Thermoproteus. Thermo Thermoproteus. So what's your name? I'm Amal. Amal. Okay. If I write it here, you will write it along with the notes. Okay. So Thermoproteus and the other example for thermoacidophiles is thermoplasma. Okay. Thermoproteus and thermoplasma. One day I will ask you all the questions. Okay, quiz will be conducted. Okay. All should participate and be the toppers. Are you able to follow with me, guys? Are you able to follow? I think most of these are not there in your NCRT. Most of these are out of your NCRT, but as you're preparing for a national level entrance examination, you should know all these things. Next type is halophiles. Okay, fine. Everyone, all the seven, please comment. All the seven watching, please comment me. Be active in the chat box. Your response only makes me interested with the class. Halophiles. So halophiles I have discussed, they are salt, found in areas, salty areas. Salt tolerators or salt. Sir, thermoproteus and thermoplasma is organism. Pratipa, I didn't understand. I think you asked whether they are organisms or whether they are single organism or two organism. Is that? Come in me first, I will explain. Okay. So they are found in salty areas and examples Halobacterium, Halobacterium. Yes, Pratibha, they are two organisms. Thermoproteus, one organism, and Thermoplasma, another organism. Halobacterium and Halococcus. Halobacterium and Halococcus. Same way, Methanococcus and Methanobacterium. Here you have Halobacterium and Halococcus. Is this clear about Archaebacteria? Yes, and yes. Next is eubacteria. The term eu means what? True. So it is a true bacteria. It is having a rigid cell wall and a flagellum. If it is motile, it has a flagellum. Flagella is a locomotory organ. They include autotrophs, photosynthetic and chemosynthetic autotrophs, then heterotrophs. And are you there in our Telegram group? I haven't noticed you yet. That's why I'm asking. Are you there? Next is eubacteria. There are some other classification with eubacteria, and that is the last and final topic for kingdom Monera. This eubacteria is the last and final topic. So, eubacteria can be classified into two as mycoplasma. Is my writings visible? Is my writings visible? Okay, and your name, your name, mycoplasma and cyanobacteria. These are the two types of eubacteria. And first we are gonna learn in detail about mycoplasma. Mycoplasma in detail. Okay, Anu. Yes, I have seen in group. I hope so. Anu. Okay, fine. Mycoplasma. Mycoplasma, or it is also known as PPLO. Very important in point of view for need. I think you all are focusing needs, right? Need PPLO. So PPLO full form is that plurorited, pleuro pneumonia like organism. Pleuro pneumonia like organism. Pleuropneumonia like organism, or PPLO. Mycoplasma or PPLO. Is that clear? Then they are considered as jokers of plant kingdom. Jokers of plant kingdom. Right it? Organism or the Monerian considered as jokers of plant kingdom is eubacteria. Sorry, mycoplasma. Okay. And this PPLO is discovered by scientists known as Nokat. Nokat. Spelling is wrong. Okay. Wait, please wait. Okay. Nokat and rocks. Nokat and rocks. Are you writing this, guys? Are you writing this? So this Nokat and rocks. This is S. Okay. Rocks called this mycoplasma as PPLO. Then you should know who called it as mycoplasma, right? So this Nokat and rocks called it as PPLO, that is pleuropneumonia like organism. Then who called it as mycoplasma? A scientist known as Novak. Novak, a scientist known as Novak, in 1929 coined the term mycoplasma. Pratibha, nothing more. This mycoplasma is known as jokers of plant kingdom. That's what I have said. They are known as jokers of plant kingdom. Okay. So these are the two scientists. who coined the terms PPLO and mycoplasma. Write it, very important. And if you need the year of this Noctad and rocks, it is 1898. In 1898, this Noctad and rocks coined the term PPLO. Is that clear? And this mycoplasma is the smallest living cell. Very important. Smallest living cell. Mycoplasma is known as jokers of plant kingdom. Yes. Yes, Pradeep, completed. This mycoplasma is the smallest living cell. And this mycoplasma, another important point. And another important point is they lack cell wall. Pradeepa, are you asking why they are called so? They lack cell wall. Very important in need point of view. They lack cell wall, and that's the only most important point from mycoplasma. They lack cell wall. Pradeepa, are you asking why they are called mycoplasma? Why mycoplasma is called jokers of plant kingdom? And their colony, they are found in colonies. Okay, colony means as a group. Looks like a fried egg manner. Egg fried omelette, you all know, right? So their colony looks like a fried egg manner. Okay, this is all about mycoplasma. And another important thing, they are resistant to the antibiotic penicillin. Resistant to penicillin. Put stomachs and write all these points, very important. Okay, penicillin. They're resistant to penicillin. That's all. That's all about mycoplasma. And the second type is cyanobacteria. Okay, this cyanobacteria is also known as BGA. Most of the time they ask it as BGA. So what is this BGA? Comment me the full form. Comment me the full form. Only 2 points in this. Cyanobacteria fast. BGA. Yes, Ramya. Blue-green algae. Blue-green algae. BGA refers to blue-green algae. So this blue-green algae, this pigment, blue-green color is given by a pigment known as phycocyanin. Phycocyanin. Yes, Elsa. Phycocyanin gives a blue-green color. And the first oxygen evolving organism. First oxygen evolving organism is cyanobacteria. It is the first oxygen evolving organism. Cyanobacteria. Clear with the entire topics of monerans? They have special cells to fix atmospheric nitrogen, and that are known as heterocysts. Look, the last point of this cyanobacteria, they have specialized cells for nitrogen fixation known as heterocyst. Example for cyanobacteria, Nostoc and Anabena. Nostoc and Anabena. Write it. Guys, please be active. Please be active. Is this clear? Kingdom Monera, is this clear? Is the first kingdom clear, everyone? Okay, Pratipa. Yes, Ramya. Okay, fine. So, can we start with Kingdom Protista? The second part of this chapter, that is the Kingdom Protista. So, we told Kingdom Monera consists of the bacteria. And earlier, the Kingdom Protista, earlier and now, consists of plant, fungi, and animal. Plant, fungi, and animal. Very important. All the organisms that cannot be included in other kingdoms are included in this kingdom Protista. Shivani, what is heterocyst? Shivani, heterocyst means the specialized cells in cyanobacteria, right? It specialized cells in cyanobacteria to fix atmospheric nitrogen. Specialized cells in cyanobacteria to fix atmospheric nitrogen, and this specialized cells is known as the heterocyst. Okay, is that clear for everyone? And we discussed that all the organisms that cannot be included in other kingdoms are put under this kingdom Protista, and all the waste materials in your house. What will we do? All those things. What do you call all those things? What do you call all the waste materials in your home? What do you do with them? You just keep it aside, right in a separate dustbin, or you will throw it somewhere, right? Yes, Ramya Shri, garbage. Yes, garbage. So all the garbages are put in a dustbin. So like that, all the all the things that cannot be included in other kingdoms are just dropped into kingdom Protista. Therefore, this kingdom Protista is known as the garbage of entire plant kingdom. Garbages of entire plant kingdom. Write it. Garbage of entire plant kingdom. Compose them. Okay. I just asked what do you call all those things. So this is Protista known as garbages of entire plant kingdom. They are unicellular organism. I told you right at the beginning of this chapter, this is full of theory. And you should by heart each and every point. That's the problem of this botany topics. Unicellular, unicellular organisms. They are eukaryotes, unicellular eukaryotes. Unicellular eukaryotes. They are found in colonies. They are found in groups. They are found in colonies. Write it. Star mark, called as garbages of plant kingdom. Second point, unicellular eukaryotes found in colonies have a cell wall made of cellulose. Very important. Have cellulosic cell wall. Have cellulosic cell wall. Okay. Movement is with the help of, moves with the help of, okay, moves or movement is with the help of flagella, flagella, pseudopodia, pseudopodia, or cilia and cilia. Flagella, pseudopodia, and cilia. And the organism that moves fastest is the organism that have cilia. Okay, organism with cilia, among all those, organism with cilia moves fastest. Next point, reproduction. I'm giving an outline and we will explain it one by one in detail of the classification. Reproduction can be both sexual and asexual. Both types are found in the entire kingdom. Sexual and asexual mode is found in different organisms. Okay. Then mode of nutrition. Write it. Mode of nutrition. Autotrophic, parasitic, holozoic, saprophytic, saprophytic, and mixotrophic. Mixotrophic, including or both autotrophic and heterotrophic. Clear with all this? Clear? Is this clear? Moving on to the classification. Comment me fast. Whenever I'm asking you whether that is clear, you should comment me whether I will read or not, or whether I'm continuing the topic. I'm still continuing without any gap in order to avoid lag between your chattings. Okay, whenever I am asking, you should comment me. Next is the classification. I'm trying to draw a flow chart. I don't know. Okay. Money rents are mode of nutrition, don't know spelling. Spelling don't know. So mode of nutrition, the first one is autotrophic. Autotrophic. Then parasitic. Then holozoic. then saprophytic, then mixotrophic. Clear? So classification into three. Let's check what are those. One is Protestant algae. Protestant algae. Second one is Protozoan Protista. I will explain. Please wait. Write it first. Protozoan Protista. And third one is slime mold. Third one is slime mold. Okay, clear? Protestant algae, protozoan protista, and slime mold. So now we can discuss what are these things. Okay, fine. So Protestant algae means plant-like protozoa. Plant-like protozoa is known as Protestant algae. Animal-like protozoa is known as protozoan protista. Animal-like protozoa. Anyone know what is slime mold? Animal-like protozoa. Sorry, animal-like protista. It is what? Protozoan protista. Slime mold. Anyone comment? Haven't received yet. Fast. Lots of things to learn in this protista. I just thought to finish protista and start fungi today, but next class also we will continue only with this protista. Somewhat long. More points are there. That's why. Because rather than showing the slides, I am writing and explaining. No, that's why it takes a lot of time. Anyone know slime mold? Yes or no? I am writing. Okay. The slime mold is known as decomposers. Slime mold means decomposers. Okay. Yes. Whether you know or not know, just comment yes or no. That's enough. Okay. Never lag with the time. So next, classification. Further classification. So these all are the meanings, right? Meanings of these terms. So Protista can be kingdom Protista can be classified into Protestant algae, protozoan protista, and slime mold. Next, if you check with the NCRT, you can understand most of the things that I am seeing is out saying is out of NCRT, right? Has anyone noticed that? First one under Protestant algae is chrysophytes. What is written at first? What Elsa asked? Protestant algae. Chryso. Chrysophyte. Chrysophytes. Second one, leave at least two lines between each and everything. Okay. After writing chrysophytes, leave two lines and then write second one because you should fill those. Second one it is pyrophytes. Pyrophytes. Next, third one, leave two line, and after that, third one it is Euglenoids. Euglenoids. Okay. These are the three classification of this Protestant algae. Now let's look what is all these things. We should know, right, what is all these things or what comes under these things. So these chrysophytes can be further divided into two. I'm writing it at the top. Okay. One is diatoms. Chrysophytes contains the, oh my god, diatoms. If each any spelling you need, please ask me. Any spelling if you need, please ask me. Diatoms and desmid. Desmid. Diatoms and desmid. So fill those two lines. Diatoms and desmid. Pyrophytes include Pyrophytes include dinoflagellates. Dinoflagellates. And euglenoids include euglena. Take a screenshot and post it in the group fast. Take a screenshot and post it fast in our 2021-2022 group. Fast. I want to stop the class within 5 minutes. That's why. 5:15 I will stop it. Fast. None have posted till now. Rajagopal Balakrishnan. Okay, fine. Rajagopal Balakrishnan. Euglenoids include euglena. Have posted. Who is that? I haven't seen him in the class. Please comment. Who is this? Rajagopal Balakrishnan. I want to just introduce his classification. Okay. So clear with all these things? Just rub that in order to have the space. Okay. Next, protozoa and protista can be classified, further classified into three. One is ciliate, ciliates. Second one, leave two line. Second one, flagellates. With the term itself, you can understand why it is classified, no, on the basis of locomotory organs. Third one, it is pseudopodia. Okay, technical term again. Okay, Ramya Sri. No? Pseudopodia. Fourth one, it is sporozoans. Sporozoans. So leaving the lines becomes it what somewhat easy to look like. No? Okay. That's all about protozoa and protista. We should learn all these in detail. Protestant algae, each and every point we should learn detail. Protozoa and protist, nothing. Slime mold also we should learn. Slime mold can be classified into two as cellular, and second one it is acellular. Is this clear? Ciliates. Ciliates have paramecium. Paramecium. Flagellate. Trypanosoma. That too is needed. Trypanosoma. Trypanosoma. Have write the spelling at the top. So this is all about the classification. Take a screenshot right now and post it in the group. Take a screenshot fast and post it in the group, and we are stopping today's class. Explanations in next class. How many of you have utilized my notes that I have sent? Okay, Ramya. Thank you for sending. How many of you have utilized? 18 slide. I'm not using this slide, that's why you're just lagging too much. So please send the notes of today's class. Sure, Elsa. And remark me how was today's class. And thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do share it with your friends and subscribe our YouTube channel. BioPoint Stream, the world of bio in written form. Handwritten. Yeah, sure. Sir, what the spelling of fourth protozoa and protista? Fourth protozoa and protista. I don't know what I write in the order. Let me check it. Sporozoan. I think it is sporozoan I wrote. I'm using my notes as well for teaching you. That's why I think it might be the order. So please do not forget to hit the like button. Do it right now. Hope you all understood today's class. Okay, thanks for watching, and that's the end for today. It's me signing out from your favorite and my favorite BioPoint. Stream the world of bio. Okay, have a nice day. Practice all the questions. Are you doing the questions of living world? I have not yet posted the questions of biological classification. Guys, what's your opinion? Do you want us to discuss those questions in the live lecture? Do you want that, or you will do those questions? Discussion is needed, or you will do this and quiz can be conducted later. Which one you require? Fast. I want to end it now. Which one you need? We will do ourselves. Okay. Very good. And if you have any doubt, please don't feel anything to ask us. We are there for you to clear your doubts. Okay. So please contact Mindy. Sure, Elsa. Sure, we will do it. Okay, fine. Ending today's session. Thank you all. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.